Mastering IT Jargon, Unraveling Version Control Systems. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into the world of information technology, particularly focusing on an essential aspect, version control systems. If you're interested in programming or development, this is a topic you'll definitely encounter. Version control systems, also known as VCS, are pivotal tools in the field of software development. First off, let's clarify what we mean by a version control system. It's a type of software tool that helps software developers manage changes to source code over time. Version control systems keep track of every modification to the code in a special kind of database. If a mistake is made, developers can turn back the clock and compare earlier versions of the code to help fix the mistake while minimizing disruption to all team members. Now, let's look at some of the common terminologies related to VCS. 1. Repository. This is the heart of a version control system. It's a location where all the files for a particular project are stored. 2. Commit. This term refers to the act of saving changes to the repository. Each commit has a unique ID that helps you keep track of the changes. 3. Branch. This is a version of the repository that diverges from the main working project. Branches are usually created to work on new features or to isolate changes for specific tasks. 4. Merge. This is the act of taking the changes from one branch, source, and applying them into another branch, target. 5. Conflict. This happens when different parties make changes to the same line of the same file simultaneously, leading to conflicting changes. 6. Pull. This is the process of fetching and downloading content from a repository and integrating changes into your local repository. 7. Push. This refers to the process of uploading your commit changes to a remote repository. There are mainly three types of version control systems. 1. Local version control systems. This is a simple database that keeps all the changes to files under revision control. 2. Centralized version control systems. This system has a single, central repository where all changes are saved. 3. Distributed version control systems. In this system, every contributor has a local copy or clone of the main repository. Two well-known VCS are Git, which is a distributed version control system, and Subversion, a centralized version control system. And that's a wrap for today's session on version control systems. Understanding and using VCS is a vital skill for anyone interested in the fields of programming and development. It helps in managing and tracking changes, enabling smooth and efficient collaborative work. We hope this video has made the concept and its associated jargon clearer. Keep practicing these new words, and remember, in the world of IT, knowing your tools is just as important as knowing the language. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your vocabulary.